So we're just doing the finishing touches to baked broccoli. We've never tried baked broccoli before. I hear it's very nice. You put it in a very high temperature until the tips just get a little crispy on there. It takes about 20-25 minutes at about 225 degrees. It's got olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic in it. So that's just come out. And the finishing stages are to add some Parmesan type cheese. Just kind of estimate this here a little bit. So this is probably about a quarter of a cup, maybe a third of a cup of cheese. I think that's plenty. And we put a little lemon juice on it, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I think one of these lemon slices will be more than enough for this. And then the last thing is we'll add in a pinch of fresh lemon zest. Fresh lemon zest here. That always gives spices up, brightens up a dish here. And then we toss it lightly. Just sort of mix it around a little bit. Okay, and that is it. And then you're ready to serve baked broccoli. Beautiful.